In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Walmart deals 2026. We're going to walk through a simple, reliable way to surface Walmart's best promotions using the search bar and a few smart filters. By the end, you'll know how to focus on the items that fit your budget and see only true deal categories like clearance, reduced price, and rollback, all in one clean view. Start by opening your browser and going to Walmart's website. On the homepage, locate the search bar at the top. Click into the search field and type the word deals. Then run the search by pressing enter or clicking the magnifying glass. This brings up a broad set of sale-related results and is the fastest way to land on Walmart's current promotions. When the results page loads, look for the filtering controls. On a desktop, you'll see a panel on the left side of the page. On a phone or tablet, you may need to tap a filter button to open those options. Go ahead and open the filter panel so you can narrow things down. Next, open the price section. Using the price filter helps you avoid scrolling through items that are outside your budget. Set a comfortable range by adjusting the sliders or typing in minimum and maximum values, then apply those changes. Keeping a realistic range here will make the rest of the results much more relevant. Now find the deals section within the filters. This is where Walmart groups its primary markdown types. Under deals, you'll see categories such as clearance, reduced price, and rollback. Here's a quick guide. Clearance often reflects deeper, inventory-driven markdowns. Reduced price is a general price drop that may be temporary, and rollback is a promotional reduction Walmart highlights for a limited time. Choose any combination you want, 1, 2, or all 3, depending on how broad you'd like your results to be. After you've selected your deal types, click View Results. The page will refresh and display items that match your price range and the deal categories you selected. At this point, you're looking at a curated list of current promotions, making it much easier to zero in on real savings without the noise. A few quick tips to get even more value. If you're shopping for pickup, make sure your preferred store is selected so availability and pricing are accurate for your area. If your results feel too limited, widen your price range or uncheck one of the deal categories to see more options. And remember that site layouts can evolve, so the filter panel may appear slightly differently over time, but the steps remain the same. That's it. Search deals, open filters, set price, choose your deal types, and view results. Happy saving!